What the fuck is this weird contraption, bro? Explain to the courts.
This? It's an oil squirter.
It's an oil pisser.
It's not a B series.
That's oil squirters.
You put oil in there already? Yeah.
Yeah, I lubed this up.
Yeah.
Or lubed that one.
Yeah, he lubed this one. This one is smooth and nice. Gotta pour some oil down this one.
Let's yank it out real quick.
Can't yank it out unless you
I'm gonna yank one out and then I'll work on it.
Oh, you gonna take the two bolts out?
No, I'm gonna yank one out and then I'll take the bolts out. Take that off.
Put it on center.
Yeah, he got all the tools right here. Anyways, we pretty much at the shop. We're about to do some risky shit, man. So I got tired of waiting on rings, and we're about to use the old rings back in the motor and say fuck it. Not the one that blew up, but another set of rings off the pistons that I got. And we about to see what happens. We all know it might not last, but who the fuck knows, right? We're just gonna do it.
The saying goes, fucking send that shit.
Yeah, so we're just gonna send it, man. I'm tired of the car sitting, so I'm just gonna put them in there and see where it goes from there. Whatever happens. Fuck it. Go from there. You got it up? Yeah. Is it dry? Damn, nigga. It working dry.
Yes. No.
When I pressure wash it, I fucking pressure washed it.
Yeah, everything.
Hold on.
Fucking dying trash.
Oh,
Un momento. Un momento. Just un.
I was chilling in the car drinking a beer. Drinking a beer, like boy's house. He's like, yeah, I gotta go help you out here. I'm like, I'll go down with you.
Now you see why we're always late as fuck to the meets.
Can you drop down a little bit?
You good? There, done.
Why don't you spit it off my head next
Just
time?
like the back. Just like my house at night. I gotta get some gloves. That's a good idea. That way I can take it off and go back to Xbox real quick, just in case.
Yeah, I think it's nasty, bro. Usually I don't take all this shit off, but.
What is the oil cut on?
Alright, Kevin, that's recording.
See? The oil cuts don't line up and shit.
I mean, shit, the tank line up. Why'd you lose one?
It's weird you can't see a passage through it.
It ain't nothing under there. It's sealed.
You're not supposed to get oil through the other side of that. God damn.
Kevin, use a finger.
Oh, yeah. How to feed.
You wanna think that shit?
God damn it. Play a game. You'll call you lift that just a little bit.
Why?
Yeah.
Thrush? You can slide him in.
They slide in.
I don't like doing that, but alright.
Yo, do you have a...
You know it's gonna slide out anyway, right?
Go ahead.
No,
That was almost fun.
the wrong way.
Want to drop it in the box?
They go slots out, right?
Why?
No, this is right.
It does that. Give the camera the frame rate that I'm recording at. Hey, Kevin, let's look at that.
Yeah, that's right.
And then...
Look at it. Read it.
Kevin.
Hey,
Deadflow.
hey,
Kevin,
number one, this side.
he's right. Told you it was right.
Turn the goddamn camera off. I'm gonna take it back off real quick.
Alright, you got a mallet, rubber?
Mallet?
Yeah.
I think I took it out again.
Kevin, you got a rubber
You wanna
mallet?
play a game?
Oh god, hell, I'm fucking out.
No, this is what you gotta do because someone didn't bring it.
Just put the
Hold
bolts
on, I got look.
Set it up. Straight down. There you go. Now like you're popping the piston in. There you go. Oh, Honda Tech just called. They said you're fucking doing it wrong.
Maybe.
No, Honda Tech.
What is that?
LG Forum. It's like Nico Club. I think the bolts dropped down. I might not be no expert.
We can finally spin it now, though. Ooh.
It's a torque.
Do it wrong. You know, put it like, say, like right there, or right there if you're feeling frisky.
Yeah, that's how I did mine. That's how I did mine. Because, like this right now, it'll hold the thrust washer in there.
Yeah, in fact, that's why that's cut right there.
Yeah, no. That's how I did mine.
Is this a power takeoff? Is this an all-wheel drive?
Yo, man.
Is this all-wheel drive? You already trivia. What's PTO stand for? What's PTO stand for? Pussy to hold.
This is the top
Your
ring.
ass is crazy. We're throwing in used ones.
Shut up. This is the top ring. Can you measure that? What it says on that? That's legitly the top ring.
If it's a top ring, it should say T1 on it, right?
What does it say?
I'm trying to figure it out. It says I'm stained.
Shit just broke. Shit broke, bro.
What up,
That's what I'm about to go do now.
man? I said, damn.
This fool me, so now I'm about to fool somebody else.
Oh, shit. H22 left, though.
The life chose me. I didn't choose the life.
Don't mess with it. Get it off the piston.
22, 23.
22 is right there.
So what's that? Top ring?
That's the
Top
top
ring.
ring.
Exactly.
Now give me a bottom ring.
Should be 19.
Give me an onion ring.
I'm gonna go home and watch a movie.
I heard whoop. And there's a.
Yeah, that's a deep.
You sound like that jalopy, bro. What the hell? Going. Pow! What the hell was that? That'd be a good turn right there. Fade in, little screen fade, and then swipe. Ooh, that was good.
What happened?
Too much oil pressure blew the block out of my thumb.
Spray one on my face, man.
I went. I wish I was wild. I'd be rich. Yeah, we hid that in there.
Yep.
That's not integral to radiators. It's for AC. Shut up, Nick.
Bro, literally. Oh, you haven't seen it when it was boosted, huh? Bro,
The fucking 20 minutes it was.
shut up. It's been boosted for 4 days, alright? It ran for 2.
And then you had to do a poll.
I didn't do a poll.
Anything over.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of mad that I didn't do a poll.
Yeah.
I would have been happy if I did a poll, but I didn't do
No,
a
you
poll.
did a pussy hole poll.
Like, literally, I'm cruising, bro.
He hit it at like that zero on the boost gauge. You know, it's still like more than that A.
Yeah.
And it just did it. It went disappeared in the cloud. I wish I had the dash cam so I could show you that.
But me personally, you know what I think? I think that ring lance bin was cracked, and me putting all that pressure on it just made it worse. It just got to the point where it was like, got you, bitch. All right, Kevin, what do you want? All right, so we're here with the mad scientist. He putting the. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Putting the pistons in the block right now. So just to give y'all a rundown of what's going on. So I got tired of the guy that I bought the stuff off of eBay from. I don't even know what the manufacturer name is. But they kept giving me the runaround about sending me the new rings. And I've been kind of busy and didn't have time to buy new rings. So I got to the point where I got frustrated and I'm reusing a set of piston rings that I have. Granted, do not do it. I'm not telling y'all to do it. I would recommend doing it. But I'm at the point where I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna send it, and there go piston number 1. Fuck it. I'm just gonna send it, man. So I'm using used piston rings in this block. So I'm using new bearings all around. So it's all new bearings, but I am using used piston rings. So hope for the best. The worst that can happen, the motherfucker might smoke. Who gives a fuck? Not I. Anything fuck up? I literally have other motors over there waiting to get built. I just miss driving a car, and I just need a car running. Trying to drive this sometime. So for right now, we just putting everything in. Right now, just getting the rotating assembly basically ready to go. You gonna put the rod bolt on there?
Yeah, put the bearing cap on. Put the bearing in the cap and then the cap on.
Okay, you doing that right now?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So that means I'll get these stuff out of your way. So you can flip the motor. I'll put them on my wing. Let's drive in this car, y'all. So that's pretty much just a quick update of what's going on. Like I said, we finally put in the pistons in the block. It's been a while. I even took a trip to Florida and everything like that. So we're finally getting some motion going on with the EK, because I have to bring Glenbird in so I can get a lot of work done to Glenbird. But I also have to finish the EK because I miss driving it. So we just at the point now where I'm just slapping it together pretty much. Just don't give a shit, slap it together. YOLO, send it, however you want to look at it, and see where it goes. Hopefully it runs. Determining if I'm gonna leave it motor or if I'm gonna put it back on boost. 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be on boost. But that's where I'm at with it. So we just gonna keep assembling everything. My camera is dying, so I'm gonna put it down for a while. And once we get everything in, then I'll show y'all what it look like. But it's pretty self-explanatory how to install pistons and rods. So everything is installed, as y'all can see. Everything rotates fine, smoothly. The only thing we have to do, I gotta come back and torque everything down. So everything is in. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Fine. So tomorrow, I'll just leave that on there. No, I'll take it because I might gotta. Yeah, just sit in there. So tomorrow we gotta come and we gotta reassemble the whole front, the front half of the motor.
The front pan door is locked.
Yeah, the front, all of that bullshit front stuff on the front of that. Then I gotta decide which heads I'm gonna use. I got a Eurohar, H22A, H22A, F20B, don't know which one I'm going to use. One of them is getting used. So that's what I have to do tomorrow. But for the most part, pistons are back in. Finally, we're getting some kind of movement going on with this whole motor thing. It's been too fucking long. I gotta get it running. So thanks to my man Kev for coming through, giving me a hand.
Thanks to Yardy for getting the idea going.
Yeah, I got tired of waiting. Fuck these guys.
When in doubt, send it.
Yep, definitely sending it.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.